Okay, go. Here. Here.
Okay, you're crazy.
Look at that. Look at it. No, she's going straight. Here. Okay. Keep her here. Okay. Eat. Bring her over here again.
Ew.
Bring her over here again.
Or did you give her? What are you doing, doggy?
Alright. Here.
That was really good.
I know.
Okay. Keep her.
Okay, Ryan, hurry.
Oh my god.
There.
Okay.
Here. Whoa, not ready, Tiger.
Come on. Come on. Go.
Go.
Oh my
God,
god.
I can't do that.
She's very, very confused. Come on. Please.
Wanna watch it now?
Oh my god.
What, my parents? Come here.
Okay, come on.
Go that way. See, I don't know, stupid dog.
I didn't even pull on a tree.
Can I do it again?
Stand before you.
Sarah? Okay, start over. Go this way. I'm just editing in this side.
Alright.
Go. Now do this other way. Hey, Ryan, come here. Never mind. Nope. Go. Go, Sarah, go. Go, jump. Go. Go, Sarah, go. Go. Hey. Ryan, call her. No.
Okay, girl.
Alright, go again.
Okay, go that way. Okay, I'm gonna do the little more. Okay.
Sarah.
Hi.
Sarah, come here. Hurry, Ryan, come. Go. Okay, Ryan, hurry.
Nice.
Other way. Go. Brian, why did you do that? Go. Hurry.
Nice.
Go. Hurry. Go.
Please pick it outside now, okay?
Okay, we want just one more.
Let's go now. Outside.
Sierra, go. Go, Sierra. Sierra. Hey, stop.
Go leave.
Okay,
outside.
we will.
Holy moly.
It's all wet now.